Me?
No, Jackson.
I already have it.
Hi guys. So, I'm gonna go shopping for back to school. I really don't want to. Jason, you happy about?
I do.
So, I really don't want to go grocery shopping. I have to go grocery shopping too. It's like 1:41.
Daddy didn't want you.
And I don't feel, you ever wake up one day and just don't feel like adulting? I don't feel like adulting today at all. That's why I waited so long. But I'm going to take you guys along with us while we go.
Can I see myself? Hi. Hi.
So I don't, Gio, put your belt on. You need to be on your chest. So, yeah, it needs to be up. Guys, can you fix his belt for me, please? So I'm gonna go to Target, Walmart, all over. I'll be back by 4.
Michael's. I did.
So we shall see how that goes. Anyways, yeah.
All we have to do is go up.
Oh no. Jackson, calm down. Alright, straight ahead. Over there.
A guy's fixing the elevator.
We need folders, boys. Get the cart. We need folders.
You can get candy?
Huh? What are you eating?
I thought you had to buy this stuff before getting it.
Okay, folders. We need folders. Eraser.
I know.
Did you guys get eraser? Did Grandma buy? What's this boy doing? What are you doing? Okay. Alright, we need folders. Let's go. Push the cart.
Push the cart. I am.
Come on. Okay, we need fold. We need binders.
That one.
Do you like those binders down there? We need 1/2 inch though. These look like all 1 inch
I got one.
and 2 inch.
You got
1 inch, 1 inch, 1 inch.
That's good. Come on, people.
Super cute.
Take the other box out there.
So we're back home. I did not take out my camera in Walmart because, like I said, Walmart is not. It was packed. It was packed in there, so I was like, I'm not gonna take out my camera in here and try to. My main focus and goal was to pay attention to all 4 of the kids that I had with me, and yeah, so I couldn't vlog. I hear my cat. I hear her somewhere. So I didn't do that. I was looking for 1/2-inch binders because for some reason my daughter, she's going into 3rd grade this year, and it was a requirement for her to have 2 1/2-inch binders, and I couldn't find 1/2-inch anywhere. I looked everywhere and I couldn't find, so I finally found them at Walmart. I knew I would be able to find them there, but I had to look. Walmart has so much stuff that it was like, but I did end up finding it. So I am done with back to school shopping in terms of school supplies. Right now, my next goal is for clothes. I have to get clothes because my children wear clothes to school and not uniforms. Would have been nice if it was uniforms, but they don't wear uniforms, so I have to go and get jeans and stuff like that because my daughter just overnight just grew like there was no tomorrow. Like she went from a size 8 to a size 12 like overnight, so I don't even know. So now her entire wardrobe has to be changed out, and I am like looking for like, you know, jeans that I can. I'm looking for jeans. I'm so tired. I'm out of breath. I'm looking for jeans that are durable. Like for some reason they wear out the kneecap of their jeans, and it's mostly Children's Place jeans. So I think I'm gonna try Walmart to see if their brand of jeans is more durable. So I'm gonna keep looking around, and yeah, so that was that for today. I'm not gonna cook dinner tonight because I got back late. I got back after 4, and I told you guys I wanted to be back before 4, but I got back after 4, so I just went and picked up a rotisserie chicken from Harris Theater with some potato salad, and that's gonna be dinner for my husband tonight. That's gonna be dinner for him tonight, and then hopefully I can get back on track tomorrow. I still have to pack his lunch. I got all the stuff that he needed for his lunch. I was able to get his lunch meat and stuff because we were like running dry on lunch supplies for him. But I was able to go out and stock up, even though I didn't want to. I really did not want an adult today. But I'm not going to show you. Not even if I wanted to, I'm not going to show you. Just nosy. She's just nosy. So, I have to do her hair. I have to wash it.
No, you don't.
I have to wash her hair and put it back in braids. Because it was in braids. Because I just can't be bothered with my daughter's hair during the summer. So I just put it in braids. And that was that. So I'm going to put it back in. It wasn't even really braids. It was just like little sections. And I braided the ends. And that's how we got away with a week and a half. They're looking for the cat. Who didn't say hi? Say hi to the sunshine. Say hello now. Say hello to the sunshines right now.
Hi.
Say hi. Kitty pie, you better say hi to the sunshine. Say hi now. Kevin, say hello. Okay, she said hi. Just a little,
Just a little meow.
Say, I'm Kitty. I'm Kitty. I'm Kitty. I love her so much. Take her butt.
Come here, Mama.
So we're redoing our daughter's room. So I'm gonna get rid of this dresser and get an a white IKEA dresser.
Oh, isn't the make bed?
Then we have to repaint the walls and stuff like that. That's the bunk bed that she and her brother is gonna share. We have to
Me
put
too.
them together. I have to get rid of this thing because yeah. So we're redoing
Mommy.
this little mama's room.
Even me.
Yes, you're gonna share room with.
Fire.
So we're redoing her room. We already got rid of the bed that was there.
Mommy. Today. Mommy.
Today.
Yeah. Is that Jason
Yeah.
Daddy? And this is me and Daddy's bumping. This is me and Daddy's bumping, right?
We're redoing her room because I just want something really easy for her to maintain, and my daughter is not the cleanest person on the face of the earth. It's not that she's not clean, it's just that she gets overwhelmed. It's just that she gets overwhelmed with all the things that she has. So I'm trying to figure out a way to minimize half the stuff that she has. Like if you look up there, that's all her American Girl dolls stacked, and she has. And then she has this corner right here with all her beds. She has more beds than these. They're just, I don't know where they are right now. But that's how we have this little thing set up. I need to figure out a different way of storing her American Girl things. So like I said, we have to figure out a new way of storing her
Can you get in my room?
Not today. Daddy have to do all the bulk of the building and stuff, and then we have to get your dresser.
Daddy said no.
I'm gonna try to get it done before you go back to school, which is in 3 weeks. So don't worry.
3 weeks to school?
3 weeks to school.
I'll get it done Saturday.
You heard Daddy say he'll get it done on Saturday.
3 weeks. I know what weeks mean.
Anyways, guys, you gonna get it done on Saturday, honey?
No.
I get off early on Saturday.
Okay, so Daddy's gonna get it done on Saturday for you, and
Listen, you mean like a bump bed?
scared me. So
Did you just grab my butt?
no, I didn't grab.
You grabbed my butt.
Huh? Please.
No.
So disgusting.
Why is Jordan looking at us? What do you mean disgusting? Like how did you think? How do y'all think y'all get here?
Actually, I was getting inspired.
Anyways,
I was getting inspired. That's why.
okay, whatever. Cut it out. Hey, inside out, backwards, boy. You need to go change your brief and put it on properly. Anyways, that's gonna be it for today's vlog. I'm gonna go because these kids are slowly driving me up a wall.
Yeah. Who cares, people? Who cares?
Really, who cares?
It's just a piece of tape that should be. Okay. Why?
Bye, guys. Thank you so much for watching.
Peace.